Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to get free connects on Upwork. In fact, there are a lot of ways that you can get free connects, and the first thing that can give you free connects is to wait for 1 month. When you go up here on the upper right corner, then click on your profile, then go to connects. It will show exactly how much connects do you get every month. Here, as you can see, I have the monthly connects renewal. They give you 10 connects every month. Now, the second way to get free connect is to simply refund the connect from any job that you actually applied for. And in order to do so, you can simply wait till this job is canceled by the client itself, as this one right here, this job was canceled by the client. So I will get the connects that I have used in order to apply for this job. So after apply for a job, you will have to cancel the application, and after that you will get your connects back. But this is not always happening. This may just work in the first few times when you try to cancel your proposal for a job. There are also some other ways that you can get free connects. You can earn free connects when you earn a rising talent badge. Here, as you can see, I have this badge right here, and when you click on it, in order to show exactly what is the requirement for get this badge, you should simply deliver high quality work and have a 100% complete projects on time, and as promised, keep your availability status up to date and adhere to the Upwork terms of service. By this way, you can get the rising talent badge so that you can get free connects. You can also get free connects when you apply for a job and the client itself accepts your proposal. So this will give you back the connects that you have used in order to apply for the job. So this means that you will have to win the interview with an established client on Upwork. Another method to get connects is to simply complete an Upwork skill certification. And that is it. This is how you can actually get free connects on Upwork. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.